All right, good afternoon, everyone. We're here to celebrate the rebranding of Prism Specialties, and it's very fascinating and very amazing the work that's done here. It started as ERS in 1993, and they started with electronics and appliances, and they moved on to document restoration, art restoration, textiles, and all these other things. And through its growth and its development and a bunch of other things business-wise, there's 45 locations across the country. 5 buildings for Prism is located right here in Livonia along Stark Road right here. So you guys, it's 112 employees, some amazingly talented people working here to keep costs down to restore sentimental things for families. I mean, when people go through a storm, go through a fire, go through a flood, it's devastating enough. These folks do a good job of preserving a lot of sentimental stuff for them. And so that's valuable work that they do among the many, many services they do. But to David and your team right here, congratulations. We appreciate that you guys have grown and had so much success here in Livonia, and we wish you all the best going forward.
On 1, 2, 3.
There we go.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Good stuff. Good stuff.